Hi all, welcome back to my channel. So today what we're going to do is celery and siakap fish porridge for my baby. This porridge is suitable for those 8-month plus babies, and let's see what are the benefits of celery. Okay, here we have 4 scoops of baby rice plus the organic millet, which already washed and rinsed. And we have garlic, ginger and onion paste, some raisins, Siakap fish already cleaned and cut into small slices, and then we have fresh celery which already cut into small pieces, some olive oil, a bit of salt. Okay, preheat this slow cooker with 1 cup of water before you put in the rice and millet. Okay, close it and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes time. Okay, now you can add the ginger, garlic and onion paste. Add in the raisins, the fish, okay, stir well. Few drops of olive oil, okay, close it and let it cook for 1 hour. Wow, nice smell. Okay, you can add the celeries. Add the salt and just mix it well. Okay, close it, leave it about 5 minutes, then you can switch off the slow cooker. Ta-da! Celery and siakap porridge is ready for my baby. Thanks for watching my videos. If you like this channel, please thumbs up, subscribe and share.